have to understand that the CIMA qualification and their graduation qualification, there's a very, very big gap. Now, people who are, the content is in their syllabus, but they are not taught accordingly. They mug up. Okay? And here, that won't work, because here we need a practical understanding. So we actually take some case studies, which is a pattern of CIMA examination. So we provide with some case. For example, there is a bus company, or there's a car manufacturing company, or there's any other service industry. There's a very big gap in the curriculum. So what we do is, here we need application part more. So we actually give them some cases, and case study is the actual examination with CIMA, where you will be given with some cases, and on the day of exam you will be provided some situation upon that case, and you have to apply your concept accordingly. Okay. So we actually provide them those cases beforehand. We provide them with any number of cases. For example, we provide them with bus cases, we provide them with a car manufacturer or flyjet, the aeroplane industry. And so there are many industry. Okay. We provide with them all the cases. And then we actually train them how to crack a case. For example, if this is a company, this is a situation occurring, how will you do that? So here all the practical aspects are going on. Apart from that, we also provide regular revision lectures. Now I am the full-time faculty here, so they are always invited, even in the weekday, to come visit me, solve their doubts. Apart from that, I have a regular test series going on, which is not in the curriculum, but I provide them. It also helps them. So we are very flexible in that. We are very student-oriented, and that's the reason it helps.